Hey, Tom.
There you go. Fill it out and drop it in the box. If you want more raffle tickets,
Raffle prizes. They're still selling tickets over here.
Going in the plant, so you don't have to file a hot work permit. So you go in the plant, you can go in.
When we pass through the swap meet, there's Ray. Hi Ray, say hi to YouTube. So, gotta show you guys this thing.
That'll be 25 cents after.
Yeah, there's a great sign. Oh, nice. All right, we found Keith Roker. Yeah, so we're here in the swap meet, and I came across a sign that said my wife gave me permission to buy anything.
I saw that.
Yeah, so yeah, so there you go, honey.
I was just looking at that green field tap and die set.
It's a little giant.
Yeah. I was looking at that. Those are awesome. I got a bunch of those. I got a full set of them, and I love them.
Yeah, I have a similar set at home, and I don't know why I needed another set, but
well, if I was driving instead of flying, you might not have got it.
Okay, all right, made the right move.
There you go.
All right, thanks, Keith.
All right, see you.
Great.
Love it. Let's look at it real quick. Yeah, that's pretty good. Come in here and kind of knock that point down a little bit, straighten that out, get us ready for the next time we need to make it. It's his first night.
Hey guys, say hi to YouTube. Here with Steve Summers.
Yes.
Yeah, we're Varsity Bash 2019.
Having a good time.
Great time. Highly recommended. All righty, thanks everyone.
Yeah. So, is it still Industrial Arts under a new name?
Yeah, well, no, it's 3D printers and laser cutters in the library. Have you guys noticed that? You know, they call these maker spaces in schools, and it's just, that's not industrial arts.
No, you can't cut your fingers doing 3D. No blood.
Well, hold on, Mr. Pete. You've had some of those students, haven't you, that could cut their finger on anything.
In the barrel here, and all the graduations, and it was the diameter of this cup, a little bigger actually, and that long, and the whole class could see it. It would operate, you could turn it, quiz the kids and everything. So that worked so well in our own school shops that we started manufacturing. I think we made 10,000 of those. And
Oh my gosh.
they were in almost every school.
That is
And the
amazing.
Navy and the Army had them.
Now, did you have a 40-pitch screw inside there? Or did you?
There was a screw in there. It was plastic.
Okay.
It was plastic. I did the silk screening for the graduation, numbers and everything.
Now, but what's interesting about this is you marketed this
Yeah.
before there was even something called the internet. How
Oh, yeah.
did you do that? Because now we can market on the internet very easily, and you had it hard that day. So how did you do that?
There's two different models.
Yes, I said that. I'm never wrong. Okay, Mr. Pete's reaching in. One of them can't be yours.
You guys got your tickets out? 5, 1, 9, 3, 7, 6.
Go!
There he is.
Winner!
Okay, you have to bring the ticket up here. I don't trust any of you guys.
We actually have a winner for the four-job competition. It was the fastest time out of and that was a fair way to add individual wins. Okay. Thank you, Bruce. So we have that. This two players right here are going to compete against each other to be the second person in the SmackDown event. The winner of the four-job competition automatically is in the SmackDown event. So let's let it go. Ready to start? Okay.
close half the tail. This one's in the straight.
It's close to Australia.
Go ahead, Chris. Well done. Give these guys a hand. Amazing. You're gonna win. I'm not hearing a lot of confidence for you either. Hold on. Let me put a little more in there. All right, you guys. We are dealing with over $1,000 right now. This is when the stress really starts developing, is when you start looking at the cash in the hat. We're going to give how much that is exactly here in a minute, because it just adds to it. So it doesn't just, it's not an easy thing to put on there. They're going to have to line it up for the race inside and also the surface on the outside. So it's not just one surface, they have to have two surfaces lined up. This is a challenge for sure.
I'll give you $100 to go pull on his pineapple pants. Look at these guys. These guys are calm.
I'm worried why you're going to do that.
These guys are so calm. This is a real master, a real professionals right here.
But neither of them are breathing. This is the bad side. I think our teacher's figuring it out. I think he's going to pass it out. He's about ready to go to the gauge, I think.
I remember a competition a couple years ago, and he thought he got real good.
Or he designed it that way to break. He was just sweating the whole time. Is it going to break? Is it going to break?
We definitely have two guys with some hardcore skills here. I think there'd be something getting smacked down.
There we go.
All right.
I don't care who you want. Your part's in the machine and it's machinable. Yep.
What was the time?
I grabbed two of the outside, and then you have a narrow web and a wide web, and the narrow web is the one that.
So Keith, how would you really?
If I was to really turn these, you had a. Yeah. No, I wouldn't turn it into 4-jaw, but I would actually go to a bigger lathe where I'd probably come out here with a 4-jaw or a 3-jaw, or go ahead and carry it. Depending on what you did with this, you could also set it up so that you could turn a diameter that would receive your bearing and a bell center on the other end, something like that.
Yeah, definitely.
So Kevin actually ran this job, and so let's let him tell you how he did it.
All right, we're here with Bob, the old iron lover. So we're just doing a little meet and greet, say hi to everybody, and we're having a great time. The weather's great this year.
Oh yeah, it's perfect.
Yeah, this is my first year, and I guess I picked the right year to come. Nice and cool.
This is my third year, and this is the nicest it's been.
Yeah. All righty. Okay.